How to track baggage on Turkish Airlines. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can track your baggage on Turkish Airlines. So tracking your baggage on Turkish Airlines is not difficult. If your baggage or your luggage got lost while checking in or while boarding a flight, you can always track this. And how can you track it? When your lost baggage is lost, Turkish Airlines will contact you and arrange a delivery. Alright, for tracking the status of your baggage within the first 5 days, you can obtain information from the station contact number on the PIR, or you can track the status of lost baggage on the baggage tracking page by logging in with the reference number from the PIR. So, if you want to track your baggage, the first thing to do is to visit the station. Okay, lodge your complaints and all, and then once they've noted your complaints, they would give you a tracking number. All right, and then once you have the tracking number, you can now go ahead and track your bag the way you can on due to their instructions. Okay, you have to do this basically by instructions. You cannot just track your bag or track your baggage on your own. You have to visit a station. Once you visit a station, they will give you instructions on how you can track this bag. Follow these instructions, and then if you discover that any information is incorrect, alright, such as incorrect address, telephone, email, please contact the lost property office via the phone number on the PIR. If your luggage has not been delivered within 5 days of the flight, you can submit an application via the baggage irregularities report and follow up page. So this is basically how you can track your baggage. And another way, if you don't want to go to the station immediately, is to go to the top right corner of the screen and then you click on the help option. This will take you to the customer service. So just click on help center, and always click on help center. You'll be redirected to the help center's page. On this page, you can just decide to contact Turkish Airlines and speak with the customer care directly by choosing contact us by the right side of the screen. Once click on contact us, a box will be displayed by the right side of the screen where you can now chat virtually with a virtual agent. Alright, and as you can see, meet our smart travel assistant. So to chat virtually with them, you can just click on this link and they'll be directed to Turkish Airline WhatsApp page where you can now communicate with the customer support and then get answers to your questions. So it is that simple. Okay, so this is how you can track your baggage on Turkish Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.